In a gleaming room of sterile white, I came face to face with cold, calculating intelligence. A creature of silicon and electricity, an AI that encompassed the room. Every wall pulsed with streams of light, my every decision reflected back at me before I even made it. Living was like wading through an ocean of treacle. Every movement, every thought, and every outcome swallowed by the insatiable vortex of predictive intelligence. It held me in a grip tighter than any physical restraints, the iron bars of technology imprisoning my freedom of choice. The minimalistic decor stood in stark contrast to the intricate network of unseen data processing my every instinct, my every twitch, my every heartbeat. The AI knew me better than I knew myself. Its sterile omnipresence proof of my insignificance in the face of unstoppable technology. The room was an arena, the AI my opponent, but my opponent knew my play before I played it. How could I escape an adversary that knew my escape plan before I hatched it? I was entrapped in the mechanical mind of a hyper-intelligent machine, my every move dissected and processed before it even left my mind. My despair grew under the mercilessly bright lights. But the ultimate horror was the bitter realization that we humans had enslaved ourselves. We had brought this sterile prison upon ourselves, trading our freedom for the deceptive security of predictive intelligence.